Codebase indexing is back in KiloCode. Sometimes you know exactly what a piece of code does, you just don't know what this specific repo decided to call it. That's the gap semantic search closes. Setup takes about a minute. Open KiloCode settings, go to indexing, and turn it on for your project. Pick an embedding provider. If you've got Kilo tokens, just use the default. No Kilo tokens? Bring a Mistral key for free. Run Ollama plus LanceDB for local models, and a vector store with no server to babysit, or other providers like OpenAI, OpenRouter, Gemini, and more. Click Save, wait for the status to read complete, and start asking real questions. After you enable indexing, the agent picks up a semantic search tool. So instead of running grep after grep guessing at terms, it describes the concept it's after and gets the right files and line ranges back in one call. It's live now in KiloCode. Try it on the project where search has always been a pain.